So I can bring you some views of the skies over Tel Aviv, I think. You may well see, there you go. You'd imagine that as defenses reacting to missiles entering Israeli airspace. Clearly 3 hours ahead of us there, I believe, so it's dark evening over Tel Aviv, but still, missiles entering Israeli airspace. Obviously, it's seen from Iran. This has happened before. There you go, wider shot, so you get a sense of the scale there. Oh. Live pictures here of Tel Aviv in Israel, as it just gets into evening time there. And we're seeing missiles coming in. And these are the latest pictures we have. There you go. You can just see what's going on in the skies above Tel Aviv. We know air raid sirens have been heard across Israel throughout the day. Our colleague Adam Parsons in Jerusalem experiencing that as he was reporting what was going on there. But as you can see in the skies above Israel, just what is going on at the moment. So explosions in skies above Israel, which have been happening for the past few hours as Iran responds to the attack on it by both Israeli and US forces. As I said before, plenty of people taking to shelters in Israel as a result, air raid sirens being sounded, and Israel's defenses, at least the Iron Dome, being put into action once more.
Welcome to American Headline News Network, delivering the stories that shape our nation and the world.